In this Sharedocview review, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Sharedocview. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll provide a discounted link so you can get your money's worth. So Sharedocview is a software that allows you to get leads and analytics from sharing documents through the software itself. Now, as we can see here, we're taken to a dashboard, and here you can see all your analytics of the total visits of your website and specifically the dates that they were visited as well. You see a nice graph, the dots will be going all over if your document was active. We're not yet active as we're still showing this and we haven't uploaded the document yet. Here you can see the recently visited documents. If you uploaded multiple ones, you can see which ones pretty much got the most visits and which ones need work. Here you have the recent leads you've accumulated as well with the document, the leads, the date, and you can actually download it as well and import the file. So now, if we want to get started, we will select a document to upload, or you can drag one in. Naturally, we're just going to upload a standard document. Here we've just got a standard article we've uploaded, and we can write the title for the campaign. Opulent Tools campaign right there for us. Easy, that's what we are. So you can now see the options that are made available to you through this software. So with your visibility, you can either allow users to download this document that you've shared or not. You can either require an email or, not require. So here it says no email required. You can click on email required to view so it can be verified, where you can click this and verify the email. It'll make a much more labor process for the visitors of your document, but you can again free it up and just not do any of that at all. You can even get an email notification for each download that is done of your document as well. So that's very, very useful, as well as getting email notifications for each visit, which is really, really interesting as well. It can get you to see in real time the people that are visiting your software and who's doing what. Now, naturally, again, you can set your confidentiality and set your password and only give authorized users access as well. Here, you can have a watermark on your document as well. Here, it's enabled. You can disable it if you want to, but we'll re-enable it. And you can configure the watermark as well, actually. So you click on that, we're taken to this page. It's just a random logo found, and it'll be uploaded naturally through here. And over here, you can look at the watermark essentially and utilize your own rather than one made for you with the website. And the branding as well, you can get a branding logo, you can update the URL and edit the bar color and customize it as well and preview if you wanted to. So this is just one other page. So once you're done with that, you then save your changes and you are taken here. Actually, you're taken here, you can see the document there and the name of the document. Again, the article, whatever it is, and you can pretty much start to edit everything around this document. Your title, main topic, business advice. Very simple, business advice right there. And you can add a tagline as well if you wanted to. So it says free report, and that's quite a good enough one. We'll just use free report. Just showing you can edit and customize these things and type them in. A subtitle as well. You can have a subtitle of a related topic to what the entire article is really about as well. But we won't need to do this so much as it is just a stock document. But just say tips on trade, which is quite nice. Now, your description as well. This is really, really easy, really simple. You can pretty much just tell people what your document does, essentially. What are you trying to convey? Why are you sending this document and why is it important? And you type it up all in this big box presented for you. My document contains advice to grow your business. Easy right there. It can be longer, of course. Naturally, it will be longer once you get going with this. But it's just nice to know how to describe your article and sell it the best way you can. Now below you've got links and visits as well. So you can create a link for the document as well to share all over. And you can have your own link itself. So you have Opulent Tools campaign, the link they provide for you, which you can copy and then paste wherever you need to. Create a few seconds ago, you can see your visits here, and you can make it active or inactive. So it's active right now, but we can turn it off, turn it back on, which is really interesting. And with the actions here, we can see we got export visits, generate a QR code, copy link. You can embed the link as well, share it, and open the link like we just did previously before. Now you can look at the visits as well, look at the visit data and the visit times as well, and time spent per page. This is very, very useful as well if you're trying to maximize the amount of time people spend on your document and how they use it and how they look at it as well. So this is all really, really useful information to have. So this naturally belongs in your folder My Stuff as well, and you can bookmark things as well here if you ever wanted to. But yeah, My Stuff, it's got it right there. You can upload many more documents itself. And you go back to the dashboard and you'll see again, this will tell you what's going on with all the documents that you've uploaded essentially. You can go to your leads as well. If you had any leads, you'll find them here, the emails. You can search for some if you want to as well. We have none because, again, this is all a review process. But if you did, it'd be all there perfectly ready for you. Integrations is really interesting as well, because through this software, you can link your other documentation sites as well. So you can have Sharedocview linking with Google Sheets or Gmail, SmartTask, Salesforce, whichever you feel is perfect for you. And you can actually use this app to connect them. Although use this app will take you to a different software, which you have to download to connect those, it's nice that this document software allows you this opportunity to do such a thing with these options. And here you can have your help widget as well. Here, if you're stuck on anything, if you want to find out how to utilize anything, you can search up right here and it'll give you an answer, or you can start a new conversation as well with the customer service, and you'll be able to get all the help you require if you're ever stuck onto anything naturally. So your users, your profile again, got your name, your email, your phone number. You can change your profile picture and edit that quite nicely as well. And you remember that Brendan featured there on the side too. So all in all, that is Sharedocview. I think it's a very easy website to utilize. It's really nice and it connects you to the other documentation softwares that you might not have in other softwares like this. So overall, it's very intuitive and very easy. I would say I wish I had a few more features, but that can come with time. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll provide that discounted link. Thank you for your time.